Let's make game day mushroom and Swiss beef burgers with potato wedges and a creamy honey Dijon dipper. This is a HelloFresh meal, but I'm going to show you how to do this with just other ingredients if you can't find these ones. You're going to need some potatoes, some button mushrooms, some buns, some beef concentrate or better than bouillon beef flavored, some ground beef, some Swiss cheese, some sour cream, and honey Dijon mustard. Go ahead and set that oven for 450 degrees and cut those potatoes into wedges. Put about a tablespoon or so of oil in there and mix it with some salt and pepper. Mix it good and slice up those mushrooms into just some nice slices there. Pour those potatoes onto a sheet pan covered in tin foil and pop it into the oven. These will cook for probably 20 to 25 minutes on that top rack. You're going to add about 2 tablespoons of melted butter, get some butter melting rather, in a pan and add those mushrooms and add about, probably a tablespoon of that beef better than bouillon beef flavoring. This is a mushroom concentrate, but if you can't find that, that's why I recommend the better than bouillon beef flavoring. Now, we're also going to add about a tablespoon of that flavoring, that better than bouillon beef flavoring or mushroom concentrate, to your ground beef. This is a little bit over a pound. Then we'll add some salt and pepper to that as well and start mixing it all together. We'll start to form this into patties. Just mix and form with your hands. Make those patties a little bit larger than the bun size. And we will go ahead and heat, I like to use cast iron. We'll heat a cast iron pan up and get cooking those patties. These patties will cook for probably 3 to 5 minutes per side. And while those are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make the dipping sauce by adding some sour cream to honey Dijon mustard, and I will put the quantity of ingredients in the description of this video. Add some salt and pepper, mix that really well together. We're going to use this to top the buns. Let's flip those patties over, and then on that last minute, just add a slice of that Swiss cheese and cover it with a lid, and you're good to go on those burgers. Turn that heat off. Don't those look delicious? Now let's add that honey Dijon spread right on the buns. Top it with a patty, and then add your mushrooms on top. So delicious. We're going to transfer this to just a nice little serving board here, and then we're ready to plate. We've got little shot glasses full of that dipping sauce for the potatoes, extra dipping sauce, potato wedges, and here you go, folks. Game day burgers ready to go. Everyone's happy now. Crowd pleaser. Use my link and give HelloFresh a try.